Hey everybody, this is Dr. Dave Williams from El Paso Feet with a minute tip that's good for your soul. Hey, I heard that you might have sprained your ankle. That's no good. There's some things you can do to feel better pretty quickly. That whole R.I.C.E therapy is a big thing. Rest, ice, compression, elevation. You need to ice that ankle at least 3 times a day for 15 to 20 minutes. And you could submerge it in an igloo with ice and water. I love to do that. Get some frozen mixed vegetables, frozen corn, frozen peas. You can wrap it around your ankle. Molds really good to that area of the foot. Then the next thing you can do is get an ACE wrap and compress that ankle by wrapping the ACE wrap around the ankle. Here's the deal. You don't want it to be too tight. If you press on your toes, it should blanch. If it doesn't turn white and then turn back to a pink color, then it's too tight. And lastly, you want to do some physical therapy. You want to lay there with your foot elevated and you want to spell the alphabet with your ankle. You can also drop a towel or a shirt, pick it up with your toes and your ankle. If you really think you injured your ankle pretty bad and you're having a hard time standing on it at all, you need to get in to see somebody. But if you can walk around on it okay, it just kind of hurts, then use all the things I just told you, and hopefully that will help get you feeling better right away. This is Dr. Dave Williams from El Paso Feet, and this has been a minute tip that's good for your soul.